herbs with a dish just elegant and comforting. A silky celeriac puree paired with earthy richness of black and oyster mushroom, all crowned with luscious sous vide egg yolk.
Now first thing, we put the sous vide egg yolk. Now let's give a shape to this sous vide egg yolk. Then gently remove it. Ring in. Now we'll turn this celeriac into celeriac puree, mix with truffle and put it to the spuma. Celeriac in the spuma first. Truffle paste, just a little bit. Now just shiitake mushroom here. And then add more celeriac on top. We'll set different type of mushroom on top of the celeriac. So we're having here the oyster mushroom and just a bit of black mushroom. And now gently just remove the ring. So now we explain the dish. We have the sous vide egg yolk, and then we have here the celeriac puree, and we have different type of mushrooms sit on top with some truffle paste.
Thank you for watching, and if you do your own version, be sure to tag the Culinary Museum. I'd love to see your tags in this recipe. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and see you with the next episode.